If I died and you got remarried, one day when you die, would you be buried next to me or your new wife?
What kind of question is that?
It's a good question. This could happen to you one day. So what will it be?
Are you dead?
Yes.
She's dead too?
Sure, I guess in the scenario she could be dead too.
And I'm dead?
Yes.
So if I'm dead, how can I decide where I'm going to get buried?
Well, you can decide beforehand. You can put it in your will. So would you choose to be buried next to me or would you choose to be buried next to her?
You died first.
Yes, I died probably a long time before this happened.
Really?
Yes.
And I already got remarried.
Yes, I'm sure not right away.
So then why would I'd pick getting married next to my future wife?
Really?
Well, yeah.
You don't think that's a little rude, being as that I'm supposed to be the love of your life?
Okay, but you died and I already remarried. How do you think my other wife's gonna feel?
She doesn't know she's dead too!